guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com is the same place. It's an American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarns for hand knitting. I am making this video to promote our yarn, that you would go to our website and buy some of our yarn. This way you will support small business run by a woman and 5 people working for me in West Michigan in Holland. If you're local in Holland, Michigan, we're happy to see you in our store. And if you're visiting our beautiful town, please make sure to visit our store. We will be happy. Our office, not store, we don't have a storefront, we have an office. We are happy to see you in our office, and we are selling yarn here to people. So today I will be using 2 beautiful, very neutral colors. It's BeCozi Ivory and BeCozi Tan colors. Very popular colors, look beautiful together on the blanket or any other project. But today I will be making this really cute booties. This booties is my pattern that I created a few years ago for a Christmas booty. That Christmas booty pattern is still for sale at BeCozi.com, and today I will be showing you how to make these booties that you could wear them in winter or in summer if you have cold feet, and you can make this cute booties as a Christmas gift. It will be a perfect handmade gift. So what you will need? You will need 1 skein of one color and a little bit more, a little bit less than a skein for the other one for the bottom. So I'm using, as I said, ivory and tan. I'm making them in a size 10 because this is kind of like they're big and fluffy and loose. They will not fall from you because a yarn is kind of attached to your feet. It will be holding it, but it will be nice and warm. So if you have our yarn ready, let's get started.